To dragging a wrapped body through the streets of West Louisville after the man was shot to death was in court today. Chadwick Fleming is charged with abusing the corpse of 34-year-old Mitchell Jackson.
An LMPD detective gave details of the case during today's probable cause hearing. Wave News reporter Kirsten Foote joins us live from Metro Corrections. And Kirsten, in court today, the judge questioned if the LMPD detective on this case had his facts straight.
Yeah, Myra, it's important to note that Fleming has not been charged with Jackson's murder, but today in court, it was hard to tell if there was a lot of questions remaining as to if Fleming was really the one who left Mitchell Jackson Jr.'s body in the roadway.
Monday, in front of a judge, LMPD homicide detective Charles Roberts answered questions about the case of Mitchell Jackson Jr. and the arrest of Chadwick Fleming. Jackson's body was found October 20th at 18th and Muhammad Ali, wrapped in sheets, zip ties, trash bags, and electrical tape. Fleming's accused of dragging Jackson behind an SUV for several blocks.
This was obviously not the operator's intention to leave a body in the middle of the roadway.
Roberts says the SUV had come from the area of Green Alley, where Metro Solid Waste had set up a surveillance camera.
During that time, the SUV actually passes by this camera that only takes still photographs, and you can see that the remains at that time were still affixed to the back of the vehicle and being drugged down the alley, and the license plate was visible.
However, during that testimony, Roberts could not answer who that SUV was registered to.
I suspect it's his grandfather. I don't have that in front of me, though.
The defense argued the Commonwealth could not prove Fleming was behind the wheel.
And based on what you saw on the still photos and the video, you can't even say that it was Mr. Fleming that was operating the vehicle on October 20th,
correct? You cannot identify an operator of the vehicle from the surveillance footage or photographs that we have at this time.
The Commonwealth's other compelling argument, Fleming may have admitted he was involved.
We had a witness come forward who advised that Mr. Fleming had confided in them that he had left the remains in the roadway.
It's that piece of testimony that helped Judge Karen Faulkner decide they had enough probable cause to move forward, but barely.
This was very slight, you know, hopefully a file will be with you, detective, at the grand jury stage, and you'll be able to answer any other questions making those connections.
The judge also lowered Fleming's bond from $100,000 to $50,000 today, and he'll get home incarceration if he posts that. The grand jury is set to hear the case in December. Reporting live, Kirsten Foote, Wave News.